the digital space where you have a bunch of these wirings and they're kind of shoddy, and maybe you're able to build something that connects well to one thing or to a bunch of different things. But then if you have a new idea, if you have a new product, new platform, you have to connect it again to every single thing, right? And so you have to basically build up each of those wirings individually. So that creates this kind of like lattice configuration. And it results in a lot of redundant engineering, fragile architecture, and in some cases, vendor lock-in, especially when we're talking about large language model providers or AI providers, right? So 83% of the engineering time, up to some studies, like even done as recently as 2025, talk about the fact that 83% of the engineering time is consumed by what we call the integration tax, right? Not about building AI, but rather wiring up the plumbing around it. And so that's where a lot of money goes, which when I say money, I mean the resources, staff, developer time, etc. Right? Writing these custom connectors, getting the AI to be able to see our data, and it's a big headache, and it doesn't allow us to be able to flexibly switch between AI models or data sources. If you have to build a bunch of stuff and you accelerate quickly, which is kind of the name of the game these days, right? You might have a lot of undocumented integration layers. I'm surprised by how much of this exists in the industry as well. And what it results in is really like a lot of blocked AI initiatives.